Death toll rises to 10 in powerful explosion near capital of Dominican Republic, 11 others missing. San Cristobal, Dominican Republic. The death toll from a powerful explosion near the Dominican Republic's capital rose Tuesday to 10 with dozens injured, as firefighters searched through smoldering rubble and people cried outside hospitals looking for missing loved ones. President Luis Abinader visited San Cristobal, located just west of Santo Domingo, to meet with those affected, saying an additional 11 people were missing and that authorities were still trying to extinguish the fire amid collapsed buildings and charred vehicles. "We're doing everything humanly possible to investigate the situation of the 11 missing," he said. "The search for survivors has been very difficult.